The Chadstone Career Expo 2025 has been the best turnout ever. We've been so happy with the whole event.
We've had 32 retailers this year, so we're definitely getting more traction, and we've had a lot of feedback from retailers from the previous years, so a lot of repeat retailers coming again because it was such a success.
We've definitely had quite a few good candidates so far. What we're looking for is someone who's showing their personality and really showing us who they are and just letting us know what they will bring to the business for us and just really showing us who they are in store. That's what we want to see, is how they interact with customers once they come see us. So it's been great so far.
I was definitely nervous, especially waiting in line. It was a bit nerve-wracking. I talked to Maya, which that one went really well. I got to talk to H&M, which I thought went well as well. Overall, I thought they all were quite good interviews and I felt good about it.
Chadstone and Holmesglen partnered up third year now, and it's a great partnership. We love working with Holmesglen. It's great. They bring the people, we bring the retailers, and it's a very good team collaboration, and we definitely want to keep doing it.
I think it's a good opportunity to meet lots of different brands and get yourself out there.